Rhys Griffiths, many congratulations. The proverbial game of two halves, but an all-important 3 points.
Yeah, it was. For the first 35 minutes probably, I thought Haverfordwest were outstanding. We were anything but, and they could have easily been 2 or 3 up, to be honest, after half an hour. The last 10 minutes of the first half, we started to see signs of who we are, or who we claim to be. And then second half, I thought we were outstanding from start to finish. And did we deserve to win it? It's harsh on Haverfordwest because they had some good chances in the first half, and obviously also one of the best saves I've ever seen as well. Kept it at 1-0, and obviously second half we were clearly better.
Tony, not the result you were looking for, but you must take an awful lot of positives from tonight's performance.
Yeah, first half especially, I thought we were fantastic. Put them under a lot of pressure, as they did to us. Second half, in fairness, they're the top 3 side, and we knew it was going to be tough. But yeah, just couldn't get that second goal when we were on top. And when you're playing against teams like Pen-y-bont, you need that second goal to give you a little bit of a comfort. But we knew it was going to be tough, irrespective of us taking the lead. And Pen-y-bont showed what a good side they are.
James, that was a fantastic finish tonight. What a goal! Talk us through it.
Yeah, well, I think we just needed a way back into the game. Obviously, we had a bit of a poor first half, started the game quite slowly, and me and Gabe, to be fair, we worked on it a little bit, a little by peel off, and he kind of puts the ball over the centre half's head. We scored the similar goal against TNS here last year. We've kind of got that connection, you could say, I suppose, and yeah, it went in the end, didn't it?
From an ex-goalkeeper's point of view, what do you make of Luke Armstrong's save tonight?
Should have caught the one off Abu. Listen, first half he was fantastic, and he dealt with everything we threw at him, and that's what he's paid to do. He's a very good goalkeeper, comes from a good club, and he showed that this evening.
Luke, what a fantastic save you made in that first half. The turning point of the game, kept your team in the game.
Yeah, it's just one of them really where you just get after it. I seen it like there was loads of bodies in the way. I knew whereabouts the ball was going, so I just took off and luckily kept it out.